Okay, boss. See, now I explain for this one unit. This model number 4T VVT 211B3. We have here. Can you come side, please, boss? We have this here two outdoor units. So they want to know first which one is outdoor for the master. We opened this one. We found the connection. See, there is two wires here for the control wire. One is H1, H2E, and another is PQE. This one outdoor to outdoor. This one from indoors. That means this one is a master. If you open outdoor master, you will find out only H1, H2E control wire. You will not find out this one PQE. PQE connected with only master. Okay. What is your name? Mr. Gupta. Okay. With me, Mr. Gupta, and what is your good name, boss?
Noel.
Mr. Noel is available with me. Okay. They are now connecting to check the pressure. Suction pressure now 135, and they also connected the liquid line. See, do you want to know this one about?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now this, let that come. What is your name?
Agil.
Sorry?
Agil.
Agil. Agil, huh? This one Agil Gupta. Sorry, come.
Noel.
And Mr. Noyer. Liquid side 380, okay, 370, sorry, 370 and 130. Okay, and ampere 18.4, one line. This has a rated current 75 to 100 ampere. Okay, boss. See, this one up to 700 ampere, no issue. Now it's taken 18 ampere. Okay. Now this machine has a 13 indoor. So how we know 13 indoor? See, we set in the ENC3. See, there is a dial switch ENC3. Can you see this one? हाँ भाई, आप लोग देख सकते हैं ना?
Okay. We'll see.
ठीक है. We set here 13 indoor. It should be communicate all time 13 indoor. Suppose one indoor will shut down, you off the breaker or trip something, it will come error and whole system will be shut off, because we set here this has a machine 13 indoor. Okay, not a big deal to continue this without that indoor. Suppose I explained that in the paper. Where is the paper? Okay, see. This dial switch is ENC 3. See, the ENC 3 is dial switch. Okay, this dial switch we set D and A. This dial switch started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F. So up to 9, this 9, A11, AA10, B11, C12, D13. This has a 13 indoor, so I set D. Okay, you got my point, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Suppose you have 13 indoor here, one is fail. For example, one indoor is fail. Off the breaker, which one is off? When the one unit is off, system will come error. Whole system will be shut down. Then you have to come here, off the breaker first, which one is problem, and set here from 13 to 12 in the dial switch from D to C. So will come 12. Yes, anti-clockwise.
Counter or clockwise?
If you want to reduce, anti-clockwise.
Okay.
If you want to increase, clockwise.
Clockwise. Okay.
Then you can restart when the system then you will get normal.
Start by on and off.
Yes. When the dial switch increase or decrease, you should be off the power always.
Okay.
And also in the pressure, see now 380
Okay.
and 130, you will not get standard pressure all time.
So this is the.
This is not a standard pressure. Okay, it's change the pressure when the frequency will change. How much is here now? 38, 37, 35.
37, 30.
Also you will not find out same this reading. Sometimes 50, sometimes 70, sometimes 100, sometimes 10.
This
It's-
Ion is 410.
This one has a R410 only. And another thing, you don't have any option to pump down this system and remove any indoor or something. You don't have this option in this machine. You have any complaint? Just ask me now. I will inform you.
Okay, example, nobody here, one unit failure inside the indoor unit.
Okay.
What is the showing the alarm? How many unit air continuity showing? Covered
Okay.
one showing.
Okay. Take this cover. See, here is one plate cover.
Okay.
You will find out everything in this plate. Suppose the system is E0 error code. Okay. Bhai samajh rahe na? E0. If the E0, you will find out the communication error between outdoor units. That means the sleeve unit not connected or wire broken or power shut down. There is something problem in the outdoor. Suppose E1 phase sequence error. Sometime from Sigiko they will change the power RYB. If the change, you will find out the E1. Like this only. See, I will show you once again. Let me see. This H2
H2.
quantity of outdoor unit decrease error. Quantity of outdoor unit increase error. That means if you set the sleeve is 1, so ENC1 you need to set 1. This one master in ENC1 0. In the sleeve ENC1 is 1.
AC1 means what?
Sleeve 1. Sleeve 1 यानी this connected from master to sleeve. This one is sleeve 1. If you have another, ENC1 is 2. समझ में आ गया ना?
Yeah, example here we have set 13. What about setting there?
No, don't want to set anything in the sleeve. Sleeve only ENC1.
Yeah.
Sleeve 1, sleeve 2, that's all. Everything programming only in the master. See, if you found error code H7. हाँ भाई देखा है ना? अगर H7 आता है तो quantity of indoor units mismatch. Yeah, that means now you set 13. We set 13, right?
Yes.
If you off something, you will find out the error code is H7.
H7.
Maybe increase or decrease.
Okay.
Not only increase, maybe decrease also.
Increase.
Maybe decrease.
There is no increase because we have, well, now the situation is out of 13 is 13 positions. Huh?
Okay.
So there is one error, so you should it down like this. Huh?
If which one is error, you want to off the breaker, that one.
Yeah.
Also off this outdoor unit breaker. Then decrease this one.
Before you touch anything, you should have to off.
Yes.
Also, I want to add question to this one. Example, one unit shut down. Now already decrease, already set 0.12 unit.
Okay.
After repair this unit, indoor unit, we need to return back to the 13 point to again we will shut down the unit. Then
Yes.
increase
How
the-
to shut down? This is the main important. You cannot off directly breaker.
Yeah, this is the one.
See, okay. One thing, you want to go one by one room to off the all indoor, but this one has a not possible. Sometimes you will not get the key.
This is occupied. Like
Okay. You have so many sensor here. Remove any one sensor.
that. For both of these, 1 and 2.
Anyone remove. See, there is so many sensors.
Okay.
Okay.
This one.
Remove one sensor. it show error code and it will shut down automatically. Then you off this system, connect that first, then increase or decrease, then you restart. After you restart, it will take 15 minutes to communicate. Then it will proceed.
So one more thing, huh? What is the purpose of this one? Instead of we open, so we have this display showing here. So what is the purpose of this one?
Yeah, this is optional. You don't want to open all your
Okay.
covers.
Yes.
For this one cover, you need more time to remove everything.
So what is the use?
This one, see now. Okay. See, there is some switches.
Yeah, there is
Okay.
5 switches.
5 switches. Okay.